Okay, next one, let's take a look at intercepting routes. So intercepting routes that allow you to load a router that from another part of application within the same layout. Okay, let's just take a look on my examples here. Let's see if we have a folder called feed, and then in the feed we have titles, and then we have two links that are gonna link us to the photos, different photos. But the photos is under the feed folder. So in order to visit that, we have to do that like feed right. Let me just click the photo. As you can see, we have a layout, we have the photo details. We go back, we check the photo second detail. Yeah, it worked fine. But what if I just want to use that? If I want to just use that, so it's gonna be, if I'm gonna go click on that, because it's like the page is not found. Yeah, that's because we don't have photo folder under the project. That's the reason why we don't have, that's the page not found. But what we can do is we can add a bracket and a two dots in front of the photo here. In that case, so we were in this situation that we were able to find the photos. So let's take a look. As you can see, we are on photos and from route, but we don't actually have photos on the route. So these two dots here is like we make photos on upper level. So it basically, you can think of that as that's on the same level as feed, but it has the same layout as feed. As you can see, we are on photos 1. We have same layout as feed, and we also can get the photo details. Okay, so we are able to visit to get photo detail, have the route segment of photo 2 here. But if we refresh that, right, it doesn't find it because that we don't have that on the route. So it's only gonna be, okay, let me just get that back. So if we click that only from the feed, you were able to see the photo detail, because it's like feed folder is like because this is in the feed folder, it's kind of like get intercepted, and the redirect is like intercepted to the photos from this folder. You don't get that if we just half refresh the browser, because it's not gonna get intercepted, only because that's in the feed. So if we have to invoke that from the feed. Okay, that's intercepting routes.